Jo from the Wangaratta Vet Clinic. A couple of years ago, we had a client call the clinic who was quite worried. Her husband, who had diabetes, had accidentally injected himself with their dog's insulin. Their dog also had diabetes. Fortunately, both man and dog were absolutely fine, but many people don't realise that dogs and cats can get diabetes similar to humans. So I wanted to give you a little bit of information about that today. So what is diabetes? Diabetes is a condition where the level of our glucose in our bloodstream is not well regulated. We have a hormone in our body called insulin, and it is designed to help the cells of our body take glucose out of the bloodstream into the cells so that the cells can use it for energy for all the things that cells need to do. In diabetes, there's a problem with either how much insulin is available or how well our cells are able to use it. Now, in our dogs, they're usually over the age of 5 when they develop diabetes, and they have most commonly type 1 diabetes, which is where there's not enough insulin being produced. In our cats, on the other hand, they are most often over the age of 6, and they usually have type 2 diabetes, where their cells aren't responding properly to the insulin that is there. So what are some of the symptoms that you might see at home? In our dogs and cats, the big two are drinking a lot more and weeing a lot more. We also might see weight loss despite having a really, really big appetite. So they're just constantly hungry, but they, because they're unable to use the glucose that's in their bloodstream from what they're eating, their bodies will start to break down fats and muscle in order to try and get the energy that they need. We might also see lack of energy, so they're tired, lethargic, also blindness, cloudy eyes, and often urinary tract infections as well. Now, diabetes in our dogs and cats can be really challenging to manage, but they can go on to live long and healthy lives for many, many years. It takes a big commitment for owners, as you might be looking at once or even twice daily insulin injections, also really strictly controlled diet, exercise, and frequent visits to the vet for checkups and blood testing as well. Unfortunately, it's not a disease that can be cured, but it can be really managed well. So if you've noticed your dog or cat drinking a lot more, weeing a lot more, or really any sign that's sort of out of the ordinary that you notice is a bit of a change from what they'd usually be doing, please get them checked out as soon as you can. The earlier we can pick up and diagnose something like diabetes, the better for minimising the long-term complications there. Thank you very much and have a great day.